Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashid in Houston, Texas, and on my channel I like to review leather bags, fountain pens, and other such items. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of a Suede bag that I bought from JCrew. Just arrived this afternoon. So let's open the box. I only have one other Suede bag that I bought from TJ Maxx that I don't really like. This bag was on sale. I think I got it for $163. A pretty good price for this size bag. So here you see it comes in its own JCrew dust bag. Oh, very pretty. It smells good. It smells like perfume. So this is it. This beautiful, rich, I'm not going to say Bordeaux color, but it's a rich plum color. And it's a magnetic top. And let's take out the stuffing. It has a metal strap that's not detachable. So let's take out the packing stuffing. A decent size. It's lined in just fabric, but it smells really, really good. I don't know if they sprayed this with something. On the inside, as you can see, there's a slip pocket with a little JCrew leather tag, and that's it. Otherwise, it's just an empty space. It doesn't have feet, but it's really, really nice. Let's see what we can fit inside. Here's my journal. Here's a novel. Let's see. My 13-inch MacBook will fit in this. I didn't really expect it to fit. Oh, it does fit. Look, it fits. And it can still close. Here it is. Quite heavy. I don't think you should carry your laptop on this. I guess you could use this as a shoulder bag, but it's not that much space at all, and it will fall off your shoulder. But this is really, really nice. I think these bags are still available on the JCrew website. I don't know if there are other colors of this exact bag, but I love this color when I saw it. So I raced to buy it. It got here pretty quickly. Here it is. So here it is just with a book and my journal. I guess you could fit your keys in here. You could fit a wallet, car keys, pen, some makeup, some lip balms. It would fit in here easily. So if you like suede bags, you've been waiting to get one for this fall, I highly recommend this bag. Looks really, really nice. It's really, really elegant. The suede is very, very soft. And this gold-toned metal strap, this makes it even more elevated. And yes, this is a JCrew suede bag. So I hope you've liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.